Let us solve, by using the substitution method, these two equations. Our first equation is 3x plus 3y equals to 3, and our second is 5x plus 7y equals to 15. Looking at our first equation, we can see that 3 is common among the three terms. This means that we can simplify this. Let us simplify our first equation. So we have here 3x plus 3y equals to 3. To simplify this, we have to cancel out 3 in all the terms. To cancel 3, we are going to multiply the left side by 1 over 3, and whatever is done on the left should also be applied to the right side. And we should also multiply this by 1 over 3. 3x multiplied by 1 over 3, this will be equal to x. And then we have here the plus sign. 3y multiplied by 1 over 3, that is equal to y. And then 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, this will be equal to 1. This will now be our first equation. And for our second equation here, since we cannot simplify it anymore, this is our second equation. And using our equation 1, which is x plus y equals to 1, we are going to solve for x in terms of y. How do we solve for x in terms of y? To do this, we will just transpose or transfer positive y to the other side. How do we transfer positive y? We will just subtract y on the left side. So we have here minus y. And whatever you do on the left must also be done on the right side. Subtract y also on the right. And since positive y minus y is 0, we will just bring down x here, and this will be equal to 1 minus y. And this will be our equation 3. And then using the substitution method, we are now going to substitute equation 3 to equation 2. Our equation 2 is 5x plus 7y, and this is equal to 15. Our x here, this will now be 1 minus y. And our equation, this will now become 5 multiplied by 1 minus y plus 7y equals to 15. 5 multiplied by 1, this is 5. 5 multiplied by negative y, this is negative 5y plus 7y. And this will be equal to 15. And combining like terms, we will have here 5 and negative 5y plus 7y. This will be plus 2y equals to 15. And we need to cancel out 5 here on the left so that 2y will be left on the left side. To cancel out 5, we are going to subtract 5 here on the left and subtract 5 on the right. 5 minus 5 is 0. What will be left here will be 2y. We will have here positive 2y, and this will be equal to 15 minus 5. This will be equal to positive 10. We now need to find for the value of y, and to do this, we will just cancel out 2. To cancel out 2, we are going to multiply the left side by 1 over 2, and whatever you do on the left must also be done on the right. Multiply this also by 1 over 2. 2y multiplied by 1 over 2, this will be equal to y. And then 10 multiplied by 1 over 2, this will be equal to 5. Y equals to positive 5. This is one of our answers. We are now going to substitute y equals to 5 to our equation 1. Our equation 1 is x plus y equals to 1. The value of y here now will be positive 5. Our equation now will be x plus 5 equals to 1. And to solve for the value of x, we need to cancel out positive 5. So to do that, we will just subtract 5 on the left and subtract 5 on the right. Positive 5 minus 5 is 0. What will be left here is positive x. And this will be positive 1 minus 5. This is negative 4. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4, and this is our second answer.